Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Just kidding guys, I'm not a YouTuber. Yeah, I was just asked to do a refresh video, and so here I am. So I have 2B, I guess 2C curls, waves. People get upset when you call curl or waves curls, just so you know. But anyways, yeah, as you can see, it's a little frizzy, flat. I mean, I haven't done anything. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, still haven't done anything to my hair. So we're gonna try to fix that. And I was going to wash it today, but since I had quite a few people asking me to do a refresh video, here I am. And I am no professional. I am a photographer, so I have a sweet camera, but I've never done a video before, so hopefully this turns out. So, okay, we're just gonna get right into it, I guess. My little girl is sleeping right now, so I'm gonna try to do it while she's asleep, but she most likely will wake up because whenever I have to do something, she wakes up. So let's just hurry up and get this done. So the first thing that I do is I'm just going to section my hair off. As you can see, the bottom gets pretty flat when I go to sleep because I am a crazy sleeper. So I'm just going to section it off, and I like to use these little clips that I have. I think I got these, oh, I got these at CVS. It was a pack of 3 for 89 cents, so you can't beat that. I do that, and then my hair is so thick I have to use another clip to just keep everything up. So this is day 4 hair. Usually I don't go that long, but just for the sake of this video, I didn't wash it. This is not the actual product. This is just water and then about this much conditioner. So I use your Not Your Mother's dark blue conditioner. So just shake it up a little bit. And for me, I find that the best results are when I get my hair super wet. I know some people don't like getting their hair very wet because it makes it frizzy or it just makes it flat. But for me, to get those clumps back, I find that it is better when I spray it a lot. So we're just gonna go ahead and spray it. And I have a lot of product in my hair right now because this is day 4. So typically I will use a little bit of my Cantu curl activating cream, but since I have so much cream in my hair right now, I'm not going to use that today. I'm just going to use my gel, and then I'll show you the technique that I do. So I'm going to take my ring off. I hate using my ring when applying products because it all gets in between. It's all nasty, but anyways. So here's my flaxseed gel. I know that there's probably like, can you guys see it? There's probably a way better way to store this, but I just haven't gotten anything yet. So this is what I'm using right now. So what I do, just grab a little glob, and it's so gooey, guys, it really is. And I saw somebody asking, how do you apply this evenly to your hair? And this is all I do. You just go like this, and it will, the warmth of your hands will kind of make it a little more runny. And this is how I apply my products on refresh days. I saw somebody say that this is called roping. So I rope in the product just like that. And like I said, typically I put like a little pea size of my Cantu curl activator, but I'm not going to use that today because there's already a lot in my hair. So after I put my flaxseed gel in, I'm just going to scrunch it in. Guys, I have a feeling this video is going to be very long, but normally my hair only takes 10 minutes to refresh, 10 to 15 minutes. So I hope you guys can see what I'm doing, because I really don't want to do this all over again. And just a little tip, I put a little bit of sugar in my flaxseed gel, just a spoonful, and it seems to really give it a good hold. I'm going to move this down a little bit, I feel like you guys can't see. Oh, I forgot to get my microfiber towel. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I lied, it's not a microfiber towel. It is jersey material, super long. But it's very soft. I got it at Walmart for like $4, I think. It was in the clearance section, and I love using this for this purpose alone. After you put your product in there, it seems like when you use something soft like this and scrunch it in, you get better definition as a wavy girl. So this is just what I like to do. If you guys don't like to do this, then that's fine. But this
Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, the smiles returning to the faces. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
Sorry, I keep checking to see if my husband's here, because I think if he walks in and he sees me doing this, he's gonna be like, what are you doing? Okay. Okay, last layer.
Little darling, I feel that ice is slowly melting. Little darling,
I feel like I make really funny faces too when I'm applying my product. I keep looking at myself in the mirror, and I like forget that I'm recording this, and I'm like, I probably look so dumb.
it's alright. Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
guys, I am back. It's been 3 hours since I recorded my refresh, but we've been outside playing. Oh goodness, I gave my little girl an Oreo so she would be quiet for a second, and it's literally all over. Anyways, yeah, so it's been a few hours. We were outside playing. It's 90 degrees, very humid, and this is what it looks like. It's not my best hair day, but it's not the worst either, so I'll just kind of show you guys. It is a little more frizzy than normal, but I think that is just because it's day 4. Normally I only go to day 3, plus it's so humid outside. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful for some wavy girls. If you guys have any tips for me, I would love to hear them, because I am still struggling with refresh days, but so far this is what works best for me. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I guess if there's anything else that you guys want to see, just let me know. Thanks. Bye.